In the market for a 2008 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.